Hello friends! Today I will show you how to make this cute little candy corn. These little guys are so fun. They are you can use it as a coin holder, goodies, put goodies in it. I put this little plastic coin that let's just give a little nice message for trick-or-treaters especially, or fall festivals. I have this printables also that I can link it in the video description, and so it will look at the end kind of like this, and put some candies in it, in a little plastic bag. So if you want to know how to do these little guys, stick around and I'll show you. For this project I used these 24/7 Lion brand. This is Lion brand, this is Lion brand, and this one I run out of the orange, and this is the what was the name, peaches and cream or something from Walmart, and it works just fine too. So, and I use 3.5mm crochet hook, my scissor, and just some beads. These ones I ordered. This one I ordered from Amazon, and this one I had this from Hobby Lobby, and I ran out of it too. I don't have it anymore, and I need to go get more. So anyways, I'll show you how to make this, and if you want the written pattern, I will also link it in the description. So we'll start by making, with the white yarn, we will make 8 single crochet on a magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then pull the string, and you're gonna close like that with a slip stitch, and then we're gonna chain 3. And then we are going to do 2 double crochet. 1, 2. And we are going to increase in the third one. Increase with double crochet. Again, 2 double crochet. Increase 1, and 2 double crochet. Is that so? Yeah, I'm following my pattern here. So, and then we'll close it, and then we are going to chain 1, and we are going to single crochet around. Just 1 single crochet around. This is a super easy project, and it's so fun to put it on a backpack or just a little toy. See, we come in here. Here's where it gets tricky sometimes. Just kind of just poke it, whatever you can see. Okay, and now, oh, here I'm gonna switch. See, I'm not gonna slip stitch in there with the same color. I'm gonna swap the color with the orange. Okay, I'm gonna use the orange now. I'm gonna leave a little yarn so that later I'm going to secure them. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to start. Let me look at my pattern here. It says that I need to do 3 double crochets. So I'm gonna start. Oh, hold on a second. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, and then increase. 1, 2, 3, and then increase. 1, 2, 3. Is that how it ends? Let's see. Yeah. And now we are gonna close this, and we're gonna chain 1, and we will do single crochets around with the orange. It's gonna start creating our little candy corn, little fun guy or gal, I don't know. Alright, coming up here. This is the only candy corn that's not gonna give you cavities. Alright, okay, so here again we are going to swap the color, and at this time I will already cut this white and the orange together. I don't really need them anymore. I'm gonna leave a little yarn left though, so that I will tie it later. And now my last color, I will connect with the yellow. So to close, I will do this here, and I'm gonna do chain 3. Let's see. And with the yellow, I will do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. This is kind of in my way. And then I will increase. And then I will do 1, 2, 3, increase. 1, 2, 3, increase. 1, 2, 3. All right. You see that? And now I will do chain 1. And I will do single crochet around. This is so easy. Look at that, and it's looking so cute already. It's the colors, you know. Just, it looks yummy, almost like you want to eat it. All right. Got to here. All right, we got here, and here we're gonna do chain 5 so that it'll create a little loop. Okay, we're gonna create a little loop, and then we're gonna go with the slip stitches at the middle of the other side. Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna go in here. So this is gonna create our little handle. More. And I will do now like about 20 or so to make a longer loop here. That's about right. Just gonna eyeball it. Okay, so on here I will connect with this here, and I will go slip stitches around to the end. here we go. Got to the end. And there we have our candy corn. And you see this big loop is going to go inside this little loop to secure whatever goodie we put inside. All right? So of course, you're gonna have to go in on the inside and clean up this. You know how it always is. So what I like to do here is I secure this first. Like for example, I do this, and I'll show you one. I kind of double knot it there. And then I do the same with the other piece. Kind of double knot it there. Then I go and I knot these two together again, tie them together. Just because, you know, if you're gonna give this to kids, this little guy needs to be tough, you know. You don't want this to unravel and it's not gonna be fun. So just make sure that you tie this really, really nicely so that you won't, little guy is not gonna fall apart. So tie that together again. Nice and tight. And then you cut the excess. Same thing with the yellow. Oops, the yellow, you gonna go this, grab that piece. Alright, and tie a knot first. Let's make it, this is at the top, so it needs to be really, really secure. Really secure. Same thing with this. Tied it well. And then tie them together again. Alright. There you go. Okay. And so now we'll flip it. And there you go. There's our candy corn. Now, for the legs and the arm and the legs, what I did is I created just two strings. You can choose either these colors, or I chose to do black. You just two separate strings. You know, like simple chains. Like I did. I think I did 25 on this too. And then what I do is I kind of try to figure where can it goes. Yeah, like you see this one. Gonna try to go maybe here. Grab one piece. Come here. And that's gonna be the leg. You can choose to do it like this, or also you can see, you can put this as the arm, pull it through here, and then you'll pull it, you see, it'll go through the arm. Or you can use this one and use it on the leg again. So like, for example, let's do that in this example. I'm gonna grab from here. Oops, I didn't get it. Here. You see? So it's gonna be fun, like a, a little activity. Pull like this one. See? Doing, 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 doing. See how fun that is? Like a little toy. Anyways, so you gotta do that one, and then for the arm, the same way. You kind of figured out where do you want it to be the arm. And so pull one, grab it here. It's gonna be the arm there, and then I'm gonna grab it here, there, and now all you gotta do is just connect put the beads, and then you glue the little glasses, and you got one of these little guys. Okay, so let me know if you like this video, if you made this, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. So hope you have a very, very beautiful day there. Goodbye.